Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PepeFork coin. Now this token here just got a bunch of brand new central exchange listings. This is hot off the press here. Ticker symbol is PORK, P-O-R-K, short for PepeFork. The symbol is just basically a pink Pepe. We're going to go over the information on the PepeFork token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So there's many different ways to get this token. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. I was just checking out their Etherscan here. They already have 6,219 holders, 42,425 transactions, 18 decimal places, and a lot of tokens. There is a max total supply of 420,690 billion tokens. So yeah, it's an ERC20 token. You can find them on Etherscan. PepeFork, all one word, is the name of the token. Pork is the ticker symbol. Now, this token is brought to you by POND0x, it looks like here. POND0x is tweeting about it on their Twitter here. So I open up their Twitter, we could see that. And they have a swap right on POND0x's page too as well, where you could trade Ethereum for the PORK token. And if you want to check that out, PONCOIN.com, or you can go to PONCOIN.com/swap. And yeah, you just connect your wallet, like your Trust wallet, your MetaMask wallet, whatever wallet you use for Ethereum, and you could trade your ETH for the PORK coin right on their POND0x swap. Now, I have done a video on the PONCOIN before if you want to check that out, and that's basically all the information about what POND0x is. If you're not familiar with POND0x, go check out that video on my channel there, or you could just go to PONCOIN.com and check it out for yourself. But it was just announced today that this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today on MEXC Global. So trading opened for this token today, January 30th at 16 hours UTC time on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PORK, and then simply just buy the token. It says withdrawals will start tomorrow, January 31st at 16 hours UTC time. So it says PepeFork is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain. And then on MEXC Global's Twitter at MEXC_official, you can find the listing announcement. You can click on that, and it'll give you a link to their webpage, PONCOIN.com, their Etherscan, where you can check out PORK, and then their Twitter at POND0x, it says, is their official Twitter. Now, I did find another Twitter. Hopefully, this is actually, PORK Coin's Twitter, at PORK0x, at PORK0x. I'm going to put that one on the screen right here, actually, because that one actually has a full link tree. I'm assuming this is the actual legit Twitter here. It does have a full link tree though with all the links basically where you can find all the other official sites, so it's safe to assume. But again, I'm not 100% sure that this is the actual site, but most likely it is. They have a DEX in their pinned tweet too as well, is like a link tree where they have a link to POND0x. They have a link to DEX tools, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, their contract address. It says everything you need for the PepeFork. So obviously this is a PepeFork, there's what they're saying here. And then it says on their link tree, there's a link to buy pork on POND0x, find pork on X, which is basically which is this. And then it has PepeFork on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, MEXC Global, and then their Etherscan. Now, I also did find another listing here. It's probably got a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings starting today. First one I saw was MEXC Global, but then I just went over to LBANK's Twitter, and it says PepeFork will be listed on LBANK today as well. So at 12 o'clock UTC time, January 30th, trading opened for the pork token on LBANK. So following basically the same steps that I just explained with MEXC Global, except I don't have a referral code. You just have to download LBANK from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. You just do the same steps. It's paired with USDT. So most likely you'll see some other central exchange listings. Like I bet you, like if I just went over to maybe like BitGet, I don't know, I just make some guesses here. And it'll probably be listed on there. But let me say, like a lot of these popular tokens get listed on. Well, no, I don't see one right off the bat. But I bet you there's more. If I saw MEXC Global and then I saw LBANK, I bet you there's more in the works. You know, maybe. I mean, you can check for yourself. But they didn't post them all on. There's even a pork deposit competition, deposit to share a reward pool of 5,000 USDT. They just announced that on LBANK there, so you can check that out. Competition there. And yeah, besides that, if you go over to their DEX tools chart, it's going to give you all sorts of information over there as well. So their market cap right now is $49.83 million. So a very high market cap. Their liquidity right now on the Uniswap pool, $4.21 million, over 6,200 holders, it says. 24-hour trading volume right now is $50.9 million. A lot of 42,000 transactions. They do have a couple audits that you could check out on DEX tools. Now it says tokens are mintable. For some reason, Quick Intel, Go Plus, and Happy Security say tokens are mintable, but Token Sniffer does not. So just be aware of those warnings there. It says tokens are mintable. Quick Intel says there's a hidden owner, but Go Plus and Happy Security says there's not. And then Quick Intel also says other risks. So there's a couple warnings, mintable tokens, hidden owners. So check those out on the DEX tools chart. It's not a full audit, but you should always check out quick audits. It says there's no taxes if you're getting this off a decentralized exchange. Contracts verified, no honeypot, no proxy contract. Tax is not modifiable, no blacklisting. Yeah, so check out all the info. They also have a DEX screener you could check out along with the DEX tools. CoinMarketCap's got a lot of links on there that you could check out. And, they're actually on, if you go to the CoinMarketCap here, it says they have so that's just PonCoin's website. So there's POND0x.com and then there's PONCOIN.com. But yeah, go check this out. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about PepeFork? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the MEXC Global referral code where this coin just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.